And yeah, when I saw the thumbnail I was like, holy shit, this thing looks pretty sick.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode of 5-Star Cars, the car channel on YouTube where we discuss my opinions and thoughts on what's going on in the supercar community, and we do vlogs and hopefully a project car. If you want to see us get a project car, guys, I need your help. Don't be a pussy, just hit the subscribe button and help the channel grow. Bigger we get, quicker we are at getting a project car. And yeah, you know, I just basically want to do some fun. Basically what it is, guys, is where I'm from, there's no supercars, so I just do this kind of to chat to you guys about, discuss what's going on in the supercar community. So don't be afraid. Comment below, let me know what your thoughts are from the video that I do, because I do comment on the videos I've watched during the day. On today's episode, we're going to be covering somebody we haven't covered before, is RDB-LA, and they have a sick wide arch 458 that they've done. FI exhaust, the straight pipes, royalty exotics, and a few more. So that's what we're going to jump into today. Just before we do, everybody honestly that's subscribed so far, thanks very much, guys. Hopefully we can get to like maybe 1,500 subs soon, and or 2,000. This YouTube thing is fucking tough, I'll tell you that. You know, but look, I'm trying my best, and hopefully you enjoy this kind of stuff, and you know, we'll check out my other videos as well. So as I said, today's episode we're going to be jumping straight into it, and first off the bat is RDB-LA. I stumbled across these guys today. They're basically a kind of like a auto body shop that modifies supercars. And yeah, when I saw the thumbnail I was like, holy shit, this thing looks pretty sick. So yeah, they've basically wide arched a 458. It's beautiful. I really like the way it's come out. Not a fan of the wheels any what way. Fucking hate the wheels. It just looks bad. I would like if it was something with a bit of a chrome lip and maybe a gold in the center. But the rest of the kit is beautiful. I like the lines on the body. If I had a 458, would I put that kit on it? Damn right I would. I think it looks absolutely way better than the standard 458. The colour on it, they kept the original colour. I really like it. It's like a silvery blue. Really suits the kit with the lines and the way it's done. And they did the exhaust system on it. Now I'm not too sure what exhaust system they did on it, but again, guys, link in the description below if you want to check out the car in full detail and hear the sounds of it and stuff like that. I have to be careful going forward. I have to be careful when I'm putting videos up, because obviously music and stuff, one or two have gotten copyrighted since I've been monetized, and you know, I don't get the revenue, so fuck me, I'm gonna be careful in the future. But yeah, so basically, yeah, these guys have done a lot of cars. I'm gonna be covering these guys more often. They've done some pretty sick cars. I think they've done Chris Brown's Aventador as well. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the kit, guys. What do you think of the car itself? Would you get it? Have you seen this channel before? Be interesting to hear your thoughts, but I absolutely love it. If I had the money in a 458, it would definitely be something I would love to have on the car itself. You know, and yeah, I just thought I'd bring it to your attention. It's a pretty sick car, and hopefully you'll check out the video in the description below. Next on our list is FI exhaust. I seem to be covering these guys a lot lately. Why? Because their exhausts are bloody sick. You know, you can't deny these guys have been, you know, smashing it lately with the exhaust systems that they've been putting on some of the cars. And their latest one is one of my favorite Porsches out there, a Porsche Cayman GT4. Yes, it is a very, very nice exhaust. I do like this the tone of the exhaust tone. It's pretty sweet. So I'm going to show you a quick clip of the video here. So check this out and let me know what you think. There you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I would definitely consider FI exhaust if I got a Cayman GT4. I really love the shape of them. They're absolutely fucking gorgeous, those cars. Yeah, I mean, it sounds, even with the exhaust valves off, doesn't sound too bad, but you can really hear the difference when you turn it on. That's what I love about FI exhausts, where you can turn off and on the exhaust valves to get a better a higher pitch tone. Obviously with the cops in LA, it's pretty nasty over there. Here you'd be fine, but in Ireland. But yeah, I think it sounds really nice. Haven't heard that exhaust note on a Cayman GT4 before. If you like it, let me know in the comments below, or know a better exhaust system. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts on it. Yeah, so that just thought I'd bring it to your attention, and yeah, there you go. So next on our list is the Thestraightpipes. So Thestraightpipes have hit 1 million subscribers. Congratulations to you guys. I do love your channel. You do review some very sick cars. These guys are from Toronto. If you don't know, guys, I literally lived in Toronto for 4 years. I only moved back to Ireland last year, and I'm bloody missing it like fucking crazy. I would love to be living back in Toronto. I'm hoping I can move back there maybe in a year or two, but I could end up in Dubai, I don't know. But these guys basically, PFAFF I think they're called. I know the dealership because I've been out there before when I used to live there. Have some ridiculously sick cars, and they have gotten their hands on the Mclaren 600Lt. Great review. It's basically a souped up 570S on steroids in a track version because it's an LT, a long tail. 592 brake horsepower. Yeah, it's... The thing I love about McLarens is just they've brought out a shape that's different from other supercars, and they look beautiful, and they're, let's just admit it, I know a lot of people are sick of everybody having McLarens, but you get some car for the amount of money. This thing sounds absolutely awesome. Here's a quick clip of the Thestraightpipes driving the 600LT.
Coupe with launch control. Horsepower torque. 592 horsepower, 457 pound-feet of torque from a twin-turbo 3.8 liter V8.
There you go. You can just look at the reaction. I would love to drive a McLaren someday. I've only ever once driven one supercar in my whole entire life. One, and I was pretty lucky. I used to work in Australia. I lived in Australia for a year. I used to drive all the brand new cars off the ships down in Port Melbourne, and one day, lucky enough for me, the port was split in two, and all the regular staff, the long-termers that would usually drive all the high-end cars, were over in another port. I was on my own. I got radioed down, had to go down to the manager's office, I had to sign off, and when I found out what car I was driving, I literally shat myself. It was a Ferrari F40. Now, I have no pictures or nothing because we're not allowed phones inside work. It's not allowed. But when I found out I was going to be driving a Ferrari F40 off the ship down to the loading bay to a truck, honest to God, guys, that thing was exactly what you see. Raw car, just amazing. The driving experience was so quick as well. Like, obviously driving my first supercar, I was so nervous. I had to sign off on a special insurance cert. The head guy had to sign off on it and everything. And that is the only supercars I've ever gotten to drive. And let's hope if this channel gets big enough, I get to drive more supercars, because I will give you the content if you subscribe. But that's the only time I've ever driven a supercar. And to drive a Ferrari F40, I must say I was pretty lucky indeed. But yeah, Mclaren 600Lt, great review by Thestraightpipes. We'll definitely try and cover them more often. Next on our list, guys, is Royalty Exotics. With another episode basically covering about another robbed, crashed rental. Is a Slingshot this time. They've eased up on the videos. I don't know why they've eased up on the videos. I would like to see more of the build videos. These stolen videos are pretty good. Obviously they're pretty interesting, but it just looks like Houston is losing interest on the YouTube channel and has gone away from showing about the rentals and buying cars and stuff, which is a bit sad, but in this instance, people are liking, what's going on with him recovering stolen cars and stuff like that. It is interesting, but you do want to see other stuff going on. I know he has the helicopter done as well. But I do miss him buying new supercars and going on trips and doing some supercar builds. So, apart from this episode, seeing them getting it back, it got pretty damaged, alright. I don't get why people do this. Obviously he's going to have to start doing these deposits as well, and people destroying his property is fucking stupid. Like, you know, if you couldn't have these cars in Ireland, not a hope. You could never have supercar rentals in Ireland. They would be either robbed or destroyed. The insurance costs of them would be, you just couldn't afford it. It'd be through the roof. So it's just, you know, it's a pity to see what happens to these things. But I just hope he just doesn't keep doing this and actually keep chopping, changing, and do it up a bit more, because, you know, he's only posting once a week and it's starting to get a bit boring, and they were doing really well. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of that episode and what you think how Royalty Exotics are doing at the moment, and you watch them quite a lot. Last but not least on our list, guys, is vehicle versions. I'm surprised he's starting to make good content, starting to get back to his old Parker ways. I mean, he's done a 5-minute video. He isn't just pushing for his, you know, his views or sorry, not for his views, but for ads and revenue. And he's brought out a pretty good video of the 812 Superfast and the Huracan Evo, just exhaust noises and him driving through the canyons. You know, basically absolutely giving it fucking welly. I don't know how he's driving so quick through these canyons. I mean, it's pretty scary, like, but he knows them like the back of his hand. I'm just glad he's starting to make good content again. Here's a quick clip for you guys just to show you the kind of stuff he was doing and hear the sound of, I'll give you the Ferrari, because I think the Ferrari sounds the best flying through the canyons here. There you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you've seen the video, what you think, what's going on with Vehicle Versions channel. Are you back watching it, or, you know, are you kind of getting back into it? You know, do you think he's going to continue coming up with good content? I really enjoyed that video. It was raw, it was good, he wasn't talking, it was a point of view video. Something I would like to do actually for his channel. If I get to actually drive a supercar or get to drive a nice car, it's just easier for me because I don't know how to edit properly. So just to throw on a point of view camera and hear an exhaust note and drive the roads of Ireland is something I would like to do for you guys. It was a really good video, well edited, and it just sounds bloody awesome. And the way he was going through those canyons, obviously he knows them so well, it just made the video really good. And hopefully he keeps it up. You know, it's something we want to see more from Vehicle Versions, and you know, it's just not these weird shitty gooey videos he was doing. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Again, let me know in the comments below, chat, whatever, subscribe, check out my other videos, help the channel grow. All your support helps me a lot, and anybody subscribed so far and watched to the end, you are legends. Thanks very much, and we shall see you in the next episode. So stay safe, peace out, and bye.